TaoTronics TT-AH002 Humidifiers for Bedroom Home Baby by TaoTronics is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Whisper quiet operation, lower than library level sound. TaoTronics ultrasonic humidifier silently infuses your room without disturbing your study, working or sleeping. 3. 5L water tank, neither too large nor too small, perfect size for most home, bedroom, living room, office from 107 to 322 feet. You can get up to 10 hours of continuous mist without refilling. Built-in ceramic filter, purify tape water, reduce bad odor, easing you from itchy, cracked skin and dry sinuses symptoms. Change filters every 4-6 months is recommended. Double 360 degrees rotatable mist nozzles and easy dial knob control. Precisely adjust the mist output direction and volume to a comfortable humidity level by simply rotating the knob and nozzles. Smart low water protection and handy refill. The humidifier automatically shuts off when detects low water with a warning red LED indicator. Comes with a non-slip handle for easy refilling. Key features of TT-AH002. 1. Whisper quiet operation. 2. High-quality ceramic filter for healthy air. 3. Double 360-degree nozzles for any direction use. 4. Classic dial knob control for easy operation. 5. 5L092 gallons water tank for up to 10H continuous mist output. Warm tips. 1. Please do not add any essential oils into the humidifier. 2. Please do not place this product on blankets or towels. 3. The most comfortable environmental humidity is between 40% - 60%. Please adjust the mist as you need. If humidity is too high, please do not use this product. Technical specifications. Model, TT-AH002. Voltage, 120 V 60 Hz. Power, 30 W. Water tank volume, 35L. Working time, 10H max. Max humidity increase, 300 plus or minus 30 milliliters H. Noise level, equals 38 dBA. What's in the box? 1 by TaoTronics humidifier, model, TT-AH002. 1 by cleaning brush. 1 by filter. 1 by user guide. Warranty and customer service. All TaoTronics humidifiers come with a 12-month warranty. For any question, feel free to contact them and the manufacturer will get back to you within 1 business day.